I just wanted to make a video about my EDC, that is everyday carry. Alright, start emptying out my pockets. Two lighters, a little bitty knife, flashlight, another knife, multi-tool, my 1911, two mags plus one in the gun, my backup pistol, 40 caliber, another lighter, and that's it. That is my everyday carry. That's what I have on me every day of the week.